Exempting circumstance. At Article 12, it enumerates the person or accepted from criminal liability. Unlike in justifying circumstance, here is a criminal. It's a crime committed, but due to for some public policy, there shall be no penal responsibility shall be inflicted on him. Here are the elements of exempting circumstance. Number 1, imbecility or insanity, or acted during lucid interval. Any person acted crime in not right capacity of mind is exempted from criminal liability. Number 2, minors under 9 years of age. Any minor who committed a crime under 9 years of age exempted from criminal liability. Number 3, minors who are over 9 years of age, even 15 and under 15 years of age. Any minor who are 15 under is exempted from criminal liability. Number 4, accident without fault or causing of intention to them is accident is exempted from criminal liability. Number 5, uncontrollable fear. Number 6, irresistible force. And number 7, preventive by insuperable cause. Exempting circumstance.